Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're reviewing a compact Bluetooth keyboard, ideal for travel. If you work on the go, or prefer a better typing experience than your phone or tablet offers, stay tuned. First, why a compact Bluetooth keyboard is appealing. Imagine you're traveling train, plane, coffee shop. You need to write emails, draft documents, or check social media. Typing on a touchscreen can be difficult. A dedicated keyboard is much better. Today's keyboard is insert keyboard brand and model here. I chose this one for its balance of portability, features, and price. It's designed for travel. It's lightweight and slim, fitting easily into a backpack or briefcase. The build quality feels solid. The keys have a nice, tactile feel, crucial for a comfortable typing experience. You want a responsive keyboard, especially when working efficiently. Setting up is simple. It connects via Bluetooth, so no special drivers are needed. Turn it on, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, and pair it. It takes seconds. It's compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS devices. This is a huge advantage. Now, the typing experience. The keys feel tactile, offering clear feedback. The key travel is good for its size, and I typed quickly without errors. The layout is standard with some compromises for size. You may need to adjust to some keys, but it shouldn't take long. Battery life is a concern. The insert keyboard brand and model here has a long-lasting battery. I've used it for days on one charge. The keyboard also has a power-saving sleep mode, saving battery. Another feature I appreciate is the built-in stand. It holds your device at a comfortable angle. This is great, especially in tight spaces. Downsides? The key layout takes getting used to. Build quality isn't premium, but considering the price and features, it's worth it. The portability and convenience are key. Overall, I'm impressed with the insert keyboard brand and model here. It's a great compact Bluetooth keyboard for travel. It's lightweight, easy to set up, has a great typing experience, long battery life, and a built-in stand. If you want to boost productivity on the go, check it out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing a compact Bluetooth keyboard, ideal for travel. If you want a better typing experience than your phone or tablet's touchscreen, this review is for you. First up, let's talk about the design. These keyboards are all about portability. Size and weight are key. Most are significantly smaller than a standard keyboard, often folding or having a slim profile. Look for lightweight keyboards that easily slip into a bag. Build quality matters. You want something durable. Check the materials. Aluminum or high-quality plastics are generally good for durability. Next, the features. Bluetooth connectivity is essential. Make sure the keyboard pairs easily with your devices. Some connect to multiple devices simultaneously, which is convenient. Key travel and spacing are also important. You want keys with enough travel for comfortable typing. Consider the key layout. Do you prefer a standard QWERTY layout, or a more compact design? Some have a built-in trackpad. Useful but adds to the size. Now, let's get into the typing experience. This is crucial. A good compact keyboard should offer a typing experience close to that of a full-size keyboard. This means responsive keys. Key spacing and layout are important. If the keys are too close, you'll make more typos. Consider the key type. Scissor switch keys are common, and offer a good balance of travel and responsiveness. Mechanical keys, while less common, offer a more tactile feel. Battery life is also key for travel. You don't want to constantly charge. Look for long battery life, ideally weeks or even months. Many have a battery indicator. Charging is typically via USB, so make sure the keyboard uses a standard USB-C or micro USB port. Some have a built-in power-saving mode. Let's talk about specific models. The Logitech K380 is popular, known for multi-device pairing and comfortable typing. Another good option is the Microsoft Designer Compact Keyboard, which has a sleek design and good key travel. The Apple Magic Keyboard is a great choice if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Research different models and read reviews. Look at the pros and cons. In conclusion, a compact Bluetooth keyboard is a fantastic tool for boosting productivity while traveling. Consider the design, features, typing experience, and battery life. By evaluating these factors, you can find the perfect keyboard. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time.